Okay, can someone read top of page 227, or under solve algebraic inequalities using multiplication and division? Okay, you look like you want to read. Go for it. Yep.
Okay. When you multiply or divide both sides of an equality by the same positive number, the inequality symbol remains in the same direction for the inequality to be true. When you multiply or divide both sides of an equality by the same negative number, you reverse the direction of the inequality symbol for the inequality to be true.
Okay, so basically, all of what that says, if you multiply / divide by a negative number, flip the inequality. That's it. So I have negative 5y is less than or equal to 10. What do I have to do to get y by itself?
Minus plus 5.
What? Plus 5?
Add 5.
Okay, now I've got negative 5y plus 5 is less than or equal to, well, whatever I do one side, I gotta do the other. 15.
The use of
Oh, divided by 5? Okay, divide by 5, divide by 5. Negative y is less than or equal to 2.
You just flip the inequality.
I don't have to flip it, I just divided by 5. He didn't. He told me to divide by positive 5. So I divide by positive 5. Negative y is less than or equal to 2.
Yes, but if you just.
No, I don't have, I only have to flip it if I multiply or divide by a negative number. You,
-5.
oh, negative 5. Okay, well, you're gonna have to be more specific if you want me to actually do that.
3.
Divide by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1. So y, I'm dividing by a negative, so I have to do what with this? Flip it. And 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. I then draw my line. Hey, here's 0, 1, negative 2. It is a closed circle because it's greater than or equal to, and I have to make sure the variable is on the left-hand side. Because the variable is on the left-hand side, I can just follow the arrow. It goes that way.
perfect.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Go to next page, 228. Negative 1/2 p is greater than or equal to 3. What do I have to do to get p by itself?
Divided by negative 1 half.
I don't like dividing by fractions.
Multiplied by 1 half.
Multiply by the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of negative 1/2?
2/3.
What? It's not right.
Negative.
2.
Huh?
No, it's 2 over 2.
Well, you don't want to do p because that's going to get rid of. That's going to get p squared. P times p is p squared.
2. 2 divided by
2 over 1, but what? That's not getting rid of what? Nope. It's not getting rid of the
negative.
negative. I want to get rid of the negative. If I want to get rid of the negative, I have to multiply by a.
Oh, a positive
Nope. Positive times negative is a.
number. Negative positive number.
I have to multiply by a
No,
positive number?
Negative number.
Yeah,
sorry.
negative. A negative times a negative is a
Positive.
positive. I want a positive p,
Oh, no.
so I have to multiply by a negative. So 2's cancel out, 1's cancel out, negatives cancel each other out, and I just have p left. But since I multiplied by a negative number, I have to do what?
Switch the thing.
Flip P.
Flip it. You do the switcheroo thingy. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Sorry there, Noah. But I multiply by a negative 2 over 1, so I multiply by a negative 2 over 1, and I get what on the right?
1.
1 over 1 and 1.
No, don't do 1 over 1.
3 times negative 2 is?
Negative 6, 1.
Or just negative 6. Because the ones on the bottom don't do anything.
I mean, it kind of.
Again, I say, hey, here's 0. I'm going to say there's negative 5. Here's negative 6. It is a closed circle. my variable's on the left-hand side, and if I think about it, hey, less than or equal to 6, okay, well, I gotta put the numbers that are less than 6, that are further on this way. Good? Okay, last one before you guys get to practice. -4/10 x is greater than, what does it say, greater than 6?
What are we?
Top page 229, greater than 1.6.
Oh, yes.
What do I have to do to get x by itself?
You're gonna divide, oh, yeah, you're gonna divide by -0.4.
-0.4, whatever I do to one side.
Give it to the other thing.
I cannot see.
X is greater than, what do I do with these?
I cannot see.
Oh, yes, you make it, you go like boom boom.
Well, like what?
You go like Gooby.
There, thank you. We gotta do what?
Oh, so you only put something like, 5. No, 4.
No. If decimals, what do I do with them?
Oh, wait, you move the decimals away and
Yeah,
then put it
if I
back
move
together
one, I
again.
can move the other. It's the same thing as multiplying by 10 over 10. So now I get, that's 16 over -4.
That equals 4.
Eight.
What?
0.4.
16 divided by -4 is not 4. Sorry, it's not -8.
It's 4.
It's 4.
I was
Well,
saying
it's a
that-
positive divided by a negative, so it is.
-4. I was literally saying that.
Okay, you said you were not following something with this?
I couldn't see.
Okay, you see what we did here? We multiplied by 10 over 10. I mean, I can say times 10 over 10. And that just shifts the decimals for both of them, so now it becomes 16 over -4. Okay, good?
No.
Why not?
Do a switcheroo thing.
Ah, man, I didn't think you were gonna catch it.
Me and Joey got it today.
So yeah, I gotta flip it and go the other way. X is, well, I make my line here, here's 0, -1, 2, 3, 4. Open circle, because it's greater than or less than. Variables on the left-hand side, so I can just follow the arrow. Good? Okay. Gotta practice. Pick 2 of the 3 from 6 through 8, and you guys can start.
Yeah,